So starting the diary check. The first trade was really good. The entry was really good, but you should have leave the stop loss behind the zone, and it would probably give you much more profit. Even you should try to work out all the trades with the ratio 2-1, because you just closed 1-1. But anyway, the trade's not bad. It's quite good, and almost all your trades were made with according to the instruction. Let's move forward. Not bad as well. I see. This case was really good, really good. I would even I would even share it with my colleagues. Just a moment. That was really good. This trade was really nice. First, as I see, you did it all along the trend. The first extremely important factor. You trade along the trend. You choose really good zone. Your entry was with a single position, and your stop loss, you withstand to leave the stop loss before the trade will release its potential, and all your fixation were according to the system, and your potential was 1, 2, even I would say 3. This is ideal trade. I really glad to see that you really can trade as a professional. That's really good job. Let's move forward.
Thank you. I if stop was below the zone, and I was waiting for this move.
That's really great. Especially on the background, there was the BTC assistance, because the BTC was pumping. Here we see, I afraid here the trade was against the trend, at least the local trend. But anyway, the zone is good. The zone is really good.
Yeah, I see the zone.
But anyway, there was a systematic stop loss. You stopped according to the instruction, and I see here we see that there were a really good potential. In fact, there was a potential to over high previous extremum, but anyway, there was just a systematic stop loss hit. That's not bad. This is just a probability. Next trade, as I see, compensated all your losses. Yes, let's move further.
I think the zone.
The zone was 5 minutes. Yes.
I opened short here. I close here, and I leave my stop loss.
And here you see another mistake. The local trend was uptrend. There was uptrend movement, and you just open a position against the trend. That's not very good idea, but anyway, the signal worked out despite the fact that finally there was a stop loss hit. Next time, just evaluate the perspective, evaluate the potential, and try to work along the trend. because the very first example was 2 trades, and they were ideal trades along the trade. Okay, let's go further.
Yeah, this is another
Mm-hmm. That's really good, but I can't get why you added the position.
Where?
Here.
Here.
Yes.
Because I think this is another trade.
Another trade. But I still can't get why did you
Because here another zone.
That's a bad idea to average your trade. The very first entry was ideal. There was really good order block. The very first zone from where you traded, from where you opened your trade. The first fixation was okay. There is a pullback, and then you should just wait, and here on extremums, on the first extremum,
this is the better one.
yeah, the first one is the better one, and it gave you almost 3-to-1 ratio. That was really good.
Yeah.
And the mistake was that you averaged the price. There wasn't very good zone. And there was a mistake to add the position. The first trade, the first zone was really good, and it worked out really good along the trade as well. Please forget about averaging, and if you opened one zone, do not add any positions adding another zone to this trade, okay? Because this trade is a really ideal trade. If not, if we not taking into account the second trade you added to this position. Anyway, you are doing progress. I really like what you're showing. This is the last trade, or you have another one?
Yeah, this is the last from Monday.
Mm-hmm. That's not bad. Let's watch the diary, the general profit, as you showed in the very beginning. The journal, I mean.
Where? Here?
Mm-hmm. The analysis of the week. It's not very bad. It's quite good because you made a profit, and I really want you to continue the same. What is your deposit now?
128.
Mm-hmm. Plus about $20, yes?
Yes.
That's
no,
really good.
15.
15. That's really good, Yani. It's a plus 15%, almost 15% to your deposit. You're doing really well.
Yes.
Please remember this way, remember this behavior, and just try to adhere to this behavior. Just frame this to put all you are doing now in the frames, and do not infringe these frames, okay? All you're doing is very good, and except some mistakes that we dismantled, other aspects are really good. You're doing really big success, and I hope in the future you will be one of the mentors in our English speaking group. That's really good.
Do you want to see another trades, or because they are out? I think.
Yeah, I thought there was the last one. Okay, let's watch other trades.
This is, I think, yeah, with the news, I think it's not a good trade.
Just a moment.
Because yesterday
can't get from where you entered. What was the zone?
I think here. But the zone is not clear.
Yes, the zone is quite bad. The zone is quite bad.
Yeah.
Let's watch another. On 1 minute maybe.
If yeah.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute here.
Mm-hmm. Yes, this is the zone. Not bad as well. Not bad.
I don't know why I open here again.
Maybe there was a misclick, but anyway, or you just tried to work out the previous zone, but that's not very clear. I mean, this zone, the zone that is higher than your previous one, that wasn't very clear, but okay. But okay.
TKB. I have many trades here and losses.
There was the zones. Okay, let's
Yes.
watch. Let's watch.
Yes, the zone.
I think it's better to you just edit all the trades in one. Let's dismantle. I mean, to make it distinguish one from another. It more looks like you were pipsing. Maybe there was during the stream. That's not very good because it doesn't looks like you traded zones. Let's try to avoid this style of trading, okay? Because it's really looks like you tried to pips on during the stream, during one of our streams.
Yes, yes. No, I trade zone, but I can't find where.
Too many trades. There were too many trades.
I think here.
Yes, this one is good. I see the
here,
zone.
Yeah, and here I think.
But too many entries. Why did you enter
Yeah.
during the zone formation? I think that you here you were about near to the tilt.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's not a good idea.
Here you again traded against the trend. As you see, there wasn't a good idea because as you see, there was a better place to work out. I will show you my screen just a moment.
Yeah, I trade short because BTC was downtrend.
Okay, let just see my screen. I would say that okay, this trade is okay, but that would be better to try to trade this point from this point to try to work out the long zone, as you see, and it worked out really good. Then you try to work out this one.
Yes.
And why didn't you fix here? Because here there was about 1 to 3 ratio. Here you tried to stand again. The mistake that you didn't stopped here, you should have been stopped here, but anyway you fixed in plus. That was really bad trade because where is the zone? There is no zone. Finally,
Yeah,
this zone
I
saved
see
you.
that, and
this zone saved you and made your profit, make you trade, close your trade in profit. Please do not repeat these trades that.
Oh, we waiting for last for second zone.
Yeah, you could in this case you could just wait till this trade, but every time we wait we should adhere to 4 rules. First rule, we trade against along the trade. The second rule, we should have a good nudder to be on 5 minutes more than 1.5, even better when it's more than 2%, more than 2%. Then you should always keep stop loss calculated above the zone, and finally you should try to make 1-to-1. I think you have no problems with this. And if we adhere to all 4 of these rules, they will be a really good example. And this example corresponds to very first 2 first trades that you made, and that's why they are so successful.
Yes.
That's okay. The very first trades are much better. Then they become much dirty. But anyway, you understand the plot. You understand the core principles.
This trade maybe it's better. And this zone is very good.
Yes, absolutely.
But I don't know how to analyze the trend because altcoins, some altcoins are in uptrend.
Yes,
but BTC was in downtrend in this moment.
If we have BTC turned to be downtrended, it's reversing. We should better wait. Make a coffee break, something like this. In this trade, I don't know why you closed the trade. There was really good potential, and finally it worked out really good. Maybe because of the BTC. Maybe because of the BTC you closed the trade, yes?
Yes, and I moved stop loss here.
Yes, and you were right. You just hedged this trade, and there was a right decision. So I think let's call it a day. You're making a progress. Let's try to do the same without those mistakes that we dismantled, that we discussed. And I think next time it will be even better.
I hope.